When you go to the store to buy tooth care products, there's a blinding array of choices. Basically, try to avoid any that make promises for the things you think you may want. Avoid whitening, tartar control, sensitivity, or paste for bad breath. And I cannot recommend any children's pastes at this time. When you read the ingredients, avoid triclosan. It reacts with chlorine in tap water and can form chloroform in the mouth. Silica is always better than chalk, but even some natural pastes, ones that use silica, can be a problem because the grind of silica is too abrasive. So you see, it's more than just ingredients. It's everything about the paste. It is the ingredients, but it's also the abrasiveness and the kind of fluoride it contains. In the 50s and 60s, I believe the oral care companies were really trying to make the best paste. But now I believe profits in manufacturing may have become a priority. In my opinion, you are better to use xylitol crystals or, of course, my recommended mouth care system.